So, you think you want to be a nail tech. In this video, I'm going to talk about exactly how you can do that. But first, if nails is something that you're interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button because on this channel, I make videos all about nails. My name is Tara. I'm a licensed cosmetology teacher, and I also have my own website where I sell press-on nails, taranails.com. Feel free to check it out, and if you have any questions about my nails, leave them down below and I'll get back to you. So, what exactly is a nail tech? A nail tech is someone who performs manicures or pedicures on someone. The services can include using regular polish, gel polish, dip powder, acrylic, hard gel, polygel, or gel X. Now, what all of those things have in common is the nail tech is performing that service on the client. So the client is at their nail station, at the pedicure chair, and the nail technician is working one-on-one directly with that client. So if you're thinking, yeah, I'm interested in doing that type of thing, then you're gonna have to go to school. And what going to school means is you can either go for cosmetology, which is gonna cover everything in cosmetology from hair, skin, and nails, or you can just go to school for nail technician. Now, the nail technician school is gonna be shorter than the amount of time that you're gonna go to cosmetology because cosmetology is covering everything and is going to need more hours. But regardless, whichever one you choose to go and start doing nails, you have to keep in mind, school is just the basics. So you're gonna get a little touch of everything. You're gonna learn about acrylics, the hard gels, but not only that, you're gonna be learning about the other side of doing nails, which is safety, sanitation, the science behind it, the theory. So once you have your basics in, you can kind of decide what you like. So if you go to school and let's say you really don't like using the dip powder, you don't like doing that, which it's also known as a healthy nail. You'll hear people say healthy nail, which means the same thing as the dip powder. But let's say you don't like doing that. So then once you leave school, you don't have to do that. You don't have to do everything that you learn in school. Once you go out on your own into your career, you can kind of choose what you want to do. Like maybe you really love acrylic. So that could be your specialty that you offer, and you could be known for doing these crazy acrylic sets. Maybe they're really long, the bedazzled jewels, things like that. So school is where you start your education, but from there you have to keep going and kind of decide what exactly it is that you like to do. Okay, so once school is done, then you have to get your license for either cosmetology or nail technician. Now keep in mind, this is just the way it works in the United States. If you're in another country, I don't know exactly how all those rules and regulations work, but in the United States, you need to have a license in order to do nails. So you go to school, you gotta pass school, get good grades, and then once you're done with that, then you're gonna go and take your state board test to get your license. Now your state board test is gonna look a little bit different for everybody and for every state. Like some states only have a written test that you take. There's not a hands-on that you take with that test. So it's only gonna be the theory and the knowledge behind it. You don't actually have to perform a type of manicure on someone. So wherever you're at, I would look for that specific state to see what exactly your test would look like. If you're just gonna go in there and take a written test, or do you have to bring a live model in with you in order to take the test to do a, practical manicure on them. So just make sure you're looking for the guidelines for each state that you're in to know exactly what type of test it is that you will need to get your license. This last thing could literally be the most important thing about becoming a nail tech, and that is you have to practice your nail art. The more practice you do, the better you'll become at it, and that'll just open you up to more clients, more crazy designs, and more money really, because if you can do more intricate designs, it's going to bring you more money. But not only that, almost everybody likes nail art, even if it's only one finger. Like a lot of the time people who are going to get their nails done will say, can I just have something small on my ring finger? So even if you're not doing some crazy art piece, you still want to be good at drawing like a little simple heart on their nail, because think about it. That person who's walking around is basically like an advertisement for you, because if someone says to them, hey, I really like your nails. Where'd you get them done? And they say your name, well, then that person who liked your nails will maybe want to go to that place where you're working at and get their nails done by you next time that they want to get their nails done. And honestly, I swear, some people care more about the nail art than the actual application. Like acrylic, for example, like some people don't even know that they're supposed to be an apex, like a little rounded, like, you know, hunch in the nail here. If it's like all flat, some people don't even care. As long as you could do good nail art, like some people would just overlook that. And I'm not saying that you shouldn't become good at those things and you want to become the best you possibly can and do your applications well. I'm just saying that some people will rate nail art higher than the actual, you know, service itself, whether even doing your cuticles, the filing or anything. Like people are really into nail art. When I was working in the salon, literally like 95% of the people are going to ask for nail art, even if it's something small or maybe just like a faded glitter. Most people are going to ask you for nail art. So just make sure that you practice. Practice makes perfect. So those are some tips for you I have on how to become a nail tech. Let me know in the comments below if you're thinking about going to nail school or not. Let me know about your nail journey because I would like to hear about it. If you do have any questions, you can leave a comment below. And like I said, I will try to answer as many questions as I possibly can. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next video. All right, bye guys.